my hands, smoke on my tongue, kneel in the dust, name on my lungs. Black banner, torn in the rain, gold cross cracked, drips like a stain. Cold stone floor, blood in the grout, prayers in my mouth, teeth falling out. Eyes like glass, rust on the blade, sworn to a law nobody made. Walk through fire, armor and chain, every link whispers my name. Crown of ash and iron on my head, marching for a kingdom built on bone, built on bread. If I burn, then I won't turn back. I am oath, I am wrath. Shadow choir low in the night, flags hang still over the grave. Cold wine black, salt on my skin, wash my sins, brand them again. Hands held high, steel to the sky, faith like frost, sharp in the eye. Say that I'm lost, say that I'm damned, still I rise, sword in my hand, yeah. Crown of ash and iron on my head, marching for a kingdom built on bone, built on bread. If I burn, then I won't turn back. I am oath, I am wrath. Days fall, low in the dark, hear that pulse. Stone hearts beat under the skin. Once I'm in the gate, won't leave again. Crown of ash and iron on my head, marching for a kingdom built on bone, built on bread. If I burn, then I burn, but I won't turn back. I am oath, I am wrath.